So today we discuss about the functions formula. Okay, and we will start from the mathematical calculations, logical operation, and logical form. First, discuss about the mathematical calculation. So, at start of this course, we have discussed about the mathematical calculation. You can use the mathematical operators just like plus, minus, multiply to calculate the functions, right?
Mhm.
Just
Yes.
example, we have the quarter one and quarter two sale. Quarter one is the 50, quarter two is the 65. And we need to calculate the growth. Okay. So in the Excel, no have any direct formula to calculate the growth, but we have the mathematical equation. Mathematical equations say quarter two latest minus oldest divided by oldest. Okay.
Mhm.
So we have applied this equation in the Excel. In the bracket, latest minus oldest divide by oldest and give the formula a percentage symbol. So give the we got the percentage 30% growth comparing the quarter one to quarter two. So you can also use the this mathematical operator. It's like plus, minus, multiply, divide, and power. Okay.
Mhm.
And after that, we discussed about the logical operator. So in the Excel, you want to check something conditions, you had used the logical operations. Logical operator, sorry. What is the logical operator? Just like you can see here, this is sales. I want to check which sales greater than 50. So we have applied equal, select this and apply greater than 50. Symbol of greater than, and we have pressed the enter. If condition fulfilled, then give the true, otherwise false.
Five. No.
Okay, so you can apply the greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, and not equal to. So they are the logical operator you can use directly. But some people say if for these solutions we use the if formula. So if formula is not for checking your conditions. If formula give the two options on the true and false. Just like equal if we have select. If we have true, then show okay and otherwise pending. Okay. So if just check on B2, B2 is true, then show the true result. If B2 is false, show the false result. Okay. So
Mhm.
if can't check the condition, if just replace the value true and false. But when you apply if formula, we have used directly here this number is greater than equal to 50. Yes, so okay, otherwise fail. So I just explain you, try to explain you. See, this is not the part of if. We have include here. So here we have merged the two formula here. So this is not a part of if. If need here true and false. Okay.
Mhm.
And this logic operation gives the result true and false. Now we got the some example here, right?
Mhm.
First example, I want to give incentive. Okay, this is sales. I want to show the incentive. So incentive condition is if sales is greater than 50, I want to give 500, otherwise zero. Okay.
Oh,
So
it's a
if you
condition. It's a like a
high
specific
conditions. So your boss give the sales figure and say, please give here incentive. You ask which is, who is the eligible for incentive. Your boss say which sale have a greater than 50.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yeah,
That's
yeah,
simple.
yeah.
So how can do it? So we apply a formula because if you do not apply the formula, you have need to enter manually number it like this, like that. Okay. So this is a small data, so you can write manual, but sometime data is larger. That time can't do the manual. So that time we have applied the if formula. Equal if select here is greater than equal to 50. Yeah, greater than 50 as per your conditions. Right?
Mm.
Type your 500, otherwise 0. Press the enter, got the result, and we have drag down.
Oh, okay.
You understand?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Now another example. I have here type our data entry, just like serial number, name, city, and amount. Okay. So I have write the manual. First type the number one. Write your name, city, and amount. Okay. After that, again enter the number two and give the another numbers. But
Mm.
I want to hear automatic serial number. So when you type the name, okay, serial number automatically coming here. So
Mm.
that time we have used the apply formula if and we select the column B, it means B3 is greater than 0. Why greater than 0? Because in the Excel, if the blank cell, it means 0. The blank cell value equal to 0. If you type
Okay.
anything, number, text, anything, the character, that means greater than 0. So we have right here, if V3 greater than 0, then we have plus A2 plus 1. It means plus 1, the above number. Otherwise, print nothing. How can print nothing? So start the inverted comma and close the inverted comma. We have pressed the enter. You can see print nothing. And you can
Oh,
copy and drag down. Now we have write home
oh,
in the
okay.
John. Okay.
Mm.
So this is the formula. So you have see this formula and have any questions, please tell me.
Uh, So there is another way, right? So if we put one and two, then
This
just
is the
drag it
automatic
down.
serial number. You have typed the number, serial number is automatically calculated.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So
Hello.
A2 plus 1 plus 1. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Now I want to same make the serial number. We have right here from and right here too. Okay. So I want to make the serial number here. I want to make the serial number here.
Mm.
If right here 5 to 10. So give the serial number 5 to 10. You can also do with if or without if. So first we do with if. So first we have just click equal and select the 5. Just click equal and select your start number. And next that we have applied the formula if we have plus the above value. It means 5 plus 1.
1. Yeah.
That is greater than 10. It means the maximum number. Then
Mm.
show the nothing. Nothing it means start the quotation double
No.
quotation mark
Okay.
and close the double quotation mark. It means print nothing.
Mm.
Then if value false, then continue,
0.
continue your sequence. It means C5 plus 1. Right?
Okay, okay,
And
okay.
we have closed the bracket and placed the enter. Result is coming. But before the drag, we need to freeze this F2 because F2 is the fix, the one cell. If you
Mm.
have dragged down, then you got the result error. because
Oh,
F3 is the blank. Because when you drag, F2 increase and so the
F2
F3.
increases.
So we need to
Dollar sign.
dollar sign for the freeze, and now we have drag. Okay, now after your sequence, after your maximum sequence, here is show the error. So first understand why show the error, and then we have discussed how can stop it. So for that, how why show the error? So here's here C11 plus 1, C11 plus 1, and C11 means nothing, blank. So when you
Mm-hmm.
nothing with inverted comma, it means this is the text category. Okay, or in the Excel, if you have can't do anything calculation with the text. Okay, so for that show a error, right? So how can we have stopped this error? So double click here and write here error if error, and here so the inverted comma open and close. So if error formula give the solutions if first formula have an error, so the second value. So first value as an error, so the second value. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and now we have drag here. So here is the error. So error become a nothing. Okay,
Okay, sir. Yeah.
but
But
if
it's
you have the
yeah.
but tell me.
It's like a little bit confusing actually, right?
Yeah, we
The
have
formula
used the
and
two formula. You can first understand the first formula, if formula. If
okay.
any problem in the if formula,
No, 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 no. That is
so
good.
we had
Right.
just this if formula put in the if error. The if error formula have a two inputs. First value, second value for error. So we have right here two values, two inputs. First input is give the error to show the second value. So we have write the if formula in the if error first value. If give the error, then show the if error the second value. Simple. Okay. Now understand
Mm.
how can do it? Just we have apply the if error before the if formula, and go to the last apply the blank. You have
Blank.
tried then understand. Okay.
Okay.
But you want to you can also same features with the sequence formula. In the latest Excel have a sequence. It means row number, how many row. So we have right here 10 row. Okay, how many
Mm-hmm.
column? It means one column. And where from start? We start from 5. What is the
Five.
step? A step is the 1 right here. So okay. 5 to 14 coming here. So not a F2. F2 minus 5 plus 5. Okay. So first we write here how many row you want to, how many column you want to, and where the from start, what is the step. You got the
Mm.
result. Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
that is 6. So how can calculate the 6? So we have just a maximum number minus minimum number and
Number.
plus 1. Okay, you can do it. But if you have the latest Excel, otherwise you can use this if error function. So for this example, you understand what is the if and what do with the if. If formula is a simple formula. You have just here give the logical test. It means true and false. And where come from the true and false doesn't matter. final is the coming here true and false. If true, then give the first value. If false, give the second value. It's a simple. Okay.
Yeah.
But you have need to practice on this because if formula is the
Yeah.
very important formula. So I give you the 25 example of simple if formula. Okay.
Yeah. But sir, today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, I have morning to night continuous shift. Like I'll be
So
free around this time, but I may not be able to complete the homework.
okay. You do the practice now. Now you have the time.
It's
Half an hour.
it's like
We have
it's it's like one a.m. right now. Like
okay. So
I just came
try.
from the work.
You have tried to do
Yeah,
this. Otherwise,
yeah,
no problem. When you get the time, you have to do it. Okay.
yeah. I'll do in Thursday. Thursday I have